Welcome back. Today we will be focusing on the FOIL method of multiplying two binomials. However, before we start with FOIL, we will go over multiplying variables and numbers. Variables and numbers can be multiplied with each other because variables are simply standards for numbers. For example, x cubed times 4 equals 4x cubed. Likewise, 4x squared times x squared is equal to 4x to the fourth, because x squared times x squared is equal to x to the fourth, which is later multiplied by 4. We can now do a more complicated example. In order to determine the product of 5x squared times 7x to the third, we can multiply 5 and 7, which is 35. We can then multiply x squared and x cubed, which is equal to x to the fifth. Now we can multiply 35 and x to the fifth to get 35x to the fifth, which is the product of 5x to the squared and 7x cubed. Expressions with multiple terms can also be multiplied with each other. For example, the two binomials x plus 2 and x plus 3 can be multiplied with each other. However, a method known as FOIL is used to multiply two binomials. FOIL is a mnemonic device that stands for front, outsides, insides, and lasts. In our previous example, x plus 2 times x plus 3, the front ends are x and x. The outsides are x and 3. The insides are 2 and x, and the lasts are 2 and 3. Each element is multiplied with each other and added together. So the products are x squared, 3x, 2x, and 6. The sum of the products would then be x squared plus 6x plus 6, which is the product of x plus 2 and x plus 3.